Alright, welcome back everyone. As part of this lesson, we are going to learn about deep learning critical components, which are very important to understand end-to-end deep learning. So let's jump into our first point of discussion is different sort of layers. So we already discussed about this is input layers, this is output layers, and these are different sort of hidden layers. Okay, all these vertical organized set of neurons are normally called layers. Okay, so we have normally three broader type of layers. One is input layer, where we take a particular predefined set of inputs and then we pass it them to the hidden layers sequentially, and all the hidden layers do the same kind of operations normally sequentially, and then we come to the final layers, that is called output layer, which give us the probability output of the predicted values. Alright, so this is input layer, normally the first layers where we put the input values, and this is output layers where we get the output from all these input and hidden layers. Okay, in deep learning term, this particular type of neuron is called sequential model. Okay, where we have one input and the same input being used sequentially, but by different set of hidden layers. Input layers, hidden layers 1, hidden layer 2, hidden layer 3, and output layer. So later you will understand another kind of network, which are kind of functional neural network. Okay, where it would be something like, as in this is input, and this is one hidden layer, this is second hidden layer, this is output. Okay, so we'll have this is one flow, another flow will come, this particular thing will take input directly. Let me correct it, let me use some different example. Where is my, okay. Alright, so there's something called concatenate layers. Okay. Alright, I will explain it little later. For now, this is input layer, these are hidden layers, and this is output layers. Okay. So next point which we are going to do, which we are going to discuss, is dense layer or fully connected layers. Okay. Normally, one neuron, if it is connected to all the neurons in the previous layers and the next layers, these kind of layers are called dense network or fully connected network. If you see this example, this particular neuron is connected all the inputs, and this same network, same neuron is connected to all the neurons in the next hidden layer. Okay, this is called this particular layer is called dense layer or fully connected layer. Okay, so next thing we are going to discuss about flattened layer.